All right, we're going to go ahead and start making our assemblies within Onshape. And to do that, you're going to go into your folder, and you'll notice that I have my 3D block folder. So I could be in there, and I'm going to hit Create, and I'm going to click on Document. I'm going to call it whatever assembly I'm working with. So I'm going to call this one Assembly 2. All right, it's for the second one. And it's going to go ahead and make my folder. Now, or not my folder, my file. Now this looks just like we've done with our parts, but if you notice down here, there's another tab. We're going to click on Assembly. And when we click on Assembly, we have a different toolbar at the top. Over here on the left, we're going to click on Insert. And then we're going to choose Other Documents. And then you can choose My Onshape. So now it'll pull up your folder. So I'll find my folder, and I have my blocks. All right, so that's why I wanted to make a folder with just my blocks. So I'm going to choose for Assembly 2. If I look at my orthographic drawing, I know that I need a few cubes. So I'm going to click on Cube. And what I will need to do is click on Part 1. All right, and it puts one on there. And I can keep clicking on Part 1, and it will drop additional blocks. So for this one, I need 3 cubes. I am going to need a half cylinder. So I wanted to show you the half cylinder next. So check mark, because I have not used the half cylinder in an assembly yet. So I'm going to go to Insert, Other Documents, My Onshape. Again, scroll down, you'll only see your folder. Into my 3D blocks, and I'm going to choose my half cylinder. Now this is what it'll look like for all of your parts, at least the first time. And what it's trying to tell you is we're going to recycle our parts so we can use them for each assembly. So I'm going to create a version of that half cylinder. All right, and it gives you a name. So let's just go ahead and say half. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Create. All right, so I'm going to select my part, and I know that I need one of those. By the way, you don't have to rename it. I just did that. I don't know why I did that. So half cylinder. And then we're going to need a cylinder. So I'll hit the check mark again, Insert, Other Documents, and then I'll go to my Onshape folder down here, and I will open up my 3D blocks again, this time a cylinder. Now that I've already done it once, I don't have to repeat that process. So I'll put that over to the side. And then I need, looks like 2 triangles. So I'm going to go check mark and Insert, Other Documents, My Onshape, find your folder and your blocks. And I'm going to grab a triangle, Part 1, click, Part 1, click. So I got 2 of those now. I can hit the check mark, and I'm going to kind of zoom out a little bit. Now, based on my drawing, I'm just going to kind of start to lay these out, all right, just so they make some order, all right? And I know that these are going to go down here, and that this one is going to go over here. So the first thing that we want to do is define where is our starting point. So I'm going to choose this block is going to be where I'm going to build from, and I'm going to right click. And what I want to do here is hit Fix. All right. What that does is it locks it in the proper isometric view. So this will be my front, this will be my top, this will be my side. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to strain all of these blocks, all right, in the proper order that they are in here to the assembly. All right. This automatically saves, so we don't have to worry about that. And then I'm going to pause here, and we'll move into our second video. So this is how to add your shapes to an assembly, how to start the assembly, and how to fix one cube so that you can assemble to that or fix your constraints.